What's up, everyone? How was your day so far? Have you watched the previous video? How'd you like it? Let us know in the comments. Where do you think we're taking you today? Stay tuned to find out. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'd appreciate the support. Before we begin, we just want to tell you that this is the real Iran. This is what it looks like, and this is what media doesn't show you. A peaceful country, a peaceful people. So, if you want to know more about Iran and its people and its culture, subscribe to our channel, because we show you the reality. Anyway, where we're going today has a name with history. It's called Sepah Salar Garden, which was one of the gardens in Tehran in Qajar's era in Baharistan area. Nowadays, it's just a street and one of the main sources for shoes, bags, and purses. Buying leather shoes or bags is one of the hardest things because you have to be so professional to know the difference between natural leather and a fake one. So if you're looking for a real one, this is where you should go. It's quite a story how that amazing garden turned into a street dedicated for selling purses and shoes. It's like this. Before it became what it is today, there were only 2 stores that sold shoes and bags. Other stores were like every other shops. They sold what people really needed. Like food and material for that, like supermarket these days. Then, a bank sold its building to someone, and that person turned his new property to a shoe shop. And then, this store started to become famous amongst people in the area and other zones as well. Even people traveled to get there to buy shoes. After that, people and shopkeepers started to turn their stores into shoe stores. After a couple years, Sepah Salar became one of the main sources that had many workshops and stores only for shoes. After a while, it became too crowded to live. People come and go. It was, not easy for everyone to just live peacefully. So people started leaving their homes and moved to some other places. And those houses became stores and workshops too. It's almost about 20 years since they don't even allow cars to cross here. There are lots of benches there for people to rest, after walking for a long time there to look for whatever you need. You need to rest. You need to sit down. It's not just popular among Tehranian only. People from all around the country want to visit here because of the market and, of course, the old texture of the buildings. It mostly has goods for women, but you can find them for men and children too. And don't forget that shops put on a sale at the end of every season. And now it's the end of the year. So, if you still haven't bought shoes and bags, do check it out. It has so many stores, which means so many options with the best prices. The prices are actually really reasonable. And since it's the old zone of Tehran, it's really close to historical places. So if you want to visit it, you can also visit those places, such as Mas'udiyeh Mansion, Sepah Salar Old School, Deh Khoda Old School, some malls and shopping centers, and etc. All in all, this place has so much to offer. Don't miss it out. It also has this famous mall called Elysee, which mostly has shoes for ceremonial purposes. I think that's all I can say. You just have to check it out yourself. All the love, travel buddies.